Hello, Elizabeth here, and today I'm going to show you how to make these easy cardstock gift tags using your Cricut machine. We're going to be using the draw and cut function, so all of the writing is going to be done for you, and you can do these in a big batch and get all of your gift tags done at once. I'm going to walk you through everything step by step. I started by creating the design for my gift tags. First, I selected some graphics in Canva. I searched gift tags in the element library and chose a shape I like. There are tons of different shapes to choose from, so you can choose any shape you want. Then I searched snowflake and Christmas tree in the elements library and added some of those graphics to my canvas as well. Once I had a few designs I liked, I saved them as 4 separate images and uploaded them to Cricut Design Space to finish the design of the gift tags over there. I added all the shapes to my canvas and resized the gift tag to be 3 inches tall. Then I duplicated it for a total of 3 gift tags. I changed the color of the snowflakes and Christmas tree so I can see them and dragged them on top of each of the gift tags. I resized them to create a small cutout in the tag while still leaving enough room for the writing. I aligned each design to the center of the gift tags with the Align function in the top toolbar. Then I selected each tag and its design one at a time and used the Slice function to cut the design out of the gift tag. Then I deleted the slice results so that I'd be left with just the gift tags and their cutouts. It's important to note that only the outermost edge of your shapes will be visible. So intricate designs like the snowflake in the middle actually won't look like that because the cardstock won't be able to hold those middle pieces together without a connection. But you can save those inner parts of the cutouts for other crafts like making Christmas cards, so you may still want to choose something more intricate to repurpose. Next, I added text to each of my gift tags. Make sure you switch the style to Writing in the top toolbar and select your pen or marker in the Operation section. When you change the font, you can filter them by fonts that have a writing style and see which ones will look best with the Draw function. I chose a font called Little White Lies, which gives a bit of a Ray Dunn vibe. I arranged the text onto each of the gift tags, and then I selected both the text and the tag one at a time and clicked the Attach function, which will allow us to do the Draw and Cut function together. Then I duplicated them for 6 total tags. I also need 6 fully solid tags to act as the backing layer of the gift tags. So I created 6 of those as well and made them a different color so that they will be arranged on a separate cutting mat. And then I was ready to start my cut. For the front of the tags, I used white cardstock and the light grip cutting mat, which will make it easier to remove without damage, since paper is a more delicate material. Cricut Design Space will prompt you to load your pen in clamp A and your fine point blade in clamp B. Then you can load your mat and start the cut, and it will write the names and do the cuts all at once. Once the operation is done, I like to use the Cricut spatula to gently lift the cardstock off the mat. For the backing pieces, I used Cricut Party Foil. It's made of a thin plastic that's very durable. It can be cut with a blade, but not ripped with your hands. It's intended to be used for confetti or for hanging twirly party decor type projects. It comes in super bright holographic colors, and I thought it would be perfect for the back layer of the gift tags. I used purple, pink, and blue. Instead of the party foil, you could use a glitter cardstock or anything else that will give a nice pop through the cutouts. Once all of the pieces are cut out, all that's left to do is assemble. I cut small pieces of thin ribbon, folded them in half, stuck the middle through the hole, and pulled the tails through the loop. And then you can tape the ribbon to the gift, or you can tie the tails together around the gift. This will add a fun, personalized, and sparkly touch to all of your gifts this year. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and if you enjoyed this video, I would love for you to subscribe to my channel and leave a comment letting me know what sort of projects you'd like to see next. See you later!